It was done over the weekend or even today. It will affect excisable products other than petroleum products. So all the other excisable products, we will make that adjustment. The only category we are going to leave out are petroleum products because of the currently very high prices of fuel.
Asilimia 80 ya parachichi ambayo dunia inaipenda inaitwa hasi. Kwa hivyo tubahatishe tupande hii avocado ambayo inaitwa hasi. Ijapokuwa zile avocado zingine zote zinamea kwa mashamba, bado kama Avocado Society kuna wanashirika wetu ambao wanatengeneza mafuta kutoka kwao. Kwa hivyo avocado yoyote ambayo imemea Kenya iko na soko.
Around 80 hectares which have mature avocados, and this one gives us up to over 200 million as far as income is concerned. Because that one, those are the farmers who started planting way back with the inception of the avocado farming.
Na tunahimiza wakulima haswa katika kaunti ya Uasin Gishu na pia Kenya mzima wenye wanaweza kupanda avocado.
Without the use of chemicals, it is not true. That will not happen. It's about the responsible use of those chemicals. And we are putting systems in place to ensure that every grower understands what they are supposed to do. But also we are educating the market to understand that there are certain products that we have to use. We are looking at recovering the sector. We had projected that 2023 will be in full recovery, and we are committed to that. But we are asking government to give us a holiday on some of these taxes so that growers, exporters have a way in which they can be able to get more liquid into the companies they run so that they can remain afloat. We have growers now who are doing almost 50% of their exports through the sea, and this is giving us a promise that if this is anything to go by, I think we are able to attain that target even earlier than 2030. In fact, we have started revising that vision, saying probably by 2027 it's possible for us to move 50% of our produce through the sea.